Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to view all the posts you've shared by date on Instagram on your PC with the new update. Let's get started. First, open your Instagram account on your PC. Once you're logged in, head to the bottom left corner and click on the More icon, or the three dots. Next, click on Your Activity from the options that pop up. This will take you to a new page where you can see different sections of your activity on Instagram. From here, navigate to the Photos and Videos section and then click on the Posts section. Here, you'll be able to see all the posts you have shared on your account. If you want to filter these posts by date, click on Sort and Filter at the top of the page. This will give you the option to enter a start date and an end date for the period of posts you want to view. Once you've entered the dates, click on Apply to see the filtered results. This will show you all the posts you've shared within that specific time frame. And there you have it. That's how you can view all the posts you've shared by date on Instagram on your PC with the new update. We hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. See you next time.